So we didn't end up finishing the goldfish pond completely. So I had to sit through the winter, and now we are doing the task of cleaning it back out. So it's gotten pretty nasty. I've let some warm weather come and go. Hayden's working on catching the last few goldfish that we have down in there so we can save those before we suck the rest of this water out. Did you get one?
Yep.
Awesome.
I got 2.
Awesome,
while you were
dude.
gone. Or 3.
Got 3?
Yeah.
Did you keep track of how many we had in there? I know a couple died through the winter, but I think we have 6 or 7 at least, right? Something like that.
You guys should search for dead bodies.
Oh, there's one.
There's one.
You want to suck some more water out?
Yeah, let's suck some more water out.
All right, put the nozzle in there. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, the key is to not suck up the fish, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Awesome. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's probably all the rest of them.
We got it. Uh-oh. Little fins stuck inside of there.
Woo.
Well,
all right, we got to get this water clean for these guys, huh?
Yeah, we could go.
Yeah, we'll continue to suck this up. Got to get the leaves off. Then I'm going to go get a scrub brush and we'll scrub some of this like algae and stuff. And so once we get the bulk of it, we'll turn on our filtration system. And then that should keep ahead of it as long as we keep that on. The reason it got so nasty is because they didn't have that on. So yeah, we'll get that done so these guys don't have to be in this bucket too long here, and we can get them back into some bigger water. Yo, these dudes must have spent the winter in here. A bunch of huge bullfrogs when I lifted this rock.
Come on, man.
We're destroying their habitat here. We're gonna have to put it back all together so they can get back in here.
Ooh, where'd you go? Here it went. You think you can hide from me?
Be careful with them. Won't hurt them. Set them outside.
Uh-oh.
They'll find it back.
Yep. Where should I put them?
Just set them outside of it. They'll find their way back. And once we get it all put back together.
Right, they can do that?
Oh yeah. They know how to find water. They found it out here.
Oh, he's just sitting there. He's kind of a looking.
Don't worry, buddy. We'll get your home right back the way it was before. Even better. Be nice and clean.
I kind of want to go pick him up though and like put him into like a little container so we know he's.
There's another one.
Oh.
We'll get their habitat back. Good as new.
Well, we're out. Hang on. I'm gonna go around for a minute. Whoa! Look how we did this. It's so nice and convenient. I should have beat and carpenter view probably.
It makes me feel good that like there was all these frogs in there, because I know I did create like a nice little habitat for them. Look at this big dude, he's just hiding, just chilling. Woo! Create a nice little habitat for them that they really like. They got to winter inside of here, and they'll be in here probably all summer and get nice and big and just hang out. Got a nice little place for the nature.
Come on, big boy. Come on, man.
You might have to pick them up by the...
Well, there's a secret underwater tunnel there.
I don't think it's a tunnel, it's just like a divot.
Oh. Ooh, now we need to be careful because I'm actually afraid.
That's pretty cool. They can just hang out in this and hide.
Yeah. I swear to God, if you got that on camera.
No, unfortunately I had it off.
Okay.
But it would have been funny. Apparently, Aiden don't like frogs jumping on him.
Oh.
Hey, broski, put that hose in there. Oh yeah, I need that. I've been looking for that.
I feel like Corbin threw it.
Hopefully I don't lose it over there. Don't suck up the frog.
Oh no! Stay down, stay down.
Try to get the leaves, don't get the rocks. Oh man, that's nasty looking. That's sludge. Sludge.
That's wrong.
Let's get that out of there.
Where'd it go?
It's right there.
Oh. This is disgusting. Oh my God. I thought I was way too quick.
Get the hose and maybe like hose some of it off. Whoa, be careful.
Well, I went to the different area, I guess so. Yeah, I love this stuff.
Here and just wondering, should we like do something different to the bottom or just keep it the same?
This long.
Yeah.
And oh, that's already way too, there's already a lot of work. So, I'm gonna bring out the hose.
Okay. We'll try to like wash everything into this hole and then we'll suck it out of there and clean that, and I think that'll be pretty good. Scrub all around, like get everything
What?
well, yeah, and also try to scrape all the stuff and muck on the sides, let it run down into the hole, and then we'll suck it out with a vacuum cleaner. And then if it's like caked on there, we can take this scrub brush and scrub some of it. Whoops.
Okay,
Yeah, you just put your, no, you put your finger over it, like just a little bit. Watch, look. You just go like this.
okay. Oh my! Okay.
To treat that, get the chlorine out of it,
We got nothing.
and then we can go ahead and add our goldfish.
Where's the goldfish? Where's all the goldfish? we're not
Or
gonna.
don't worry about the leaves. How about just put the fish in? No. Just pick up the fish and put them in. Don't put all those leaves in there.
Can you dudes cut me?
No.
Ew, that was one was slimy. It was doing
It's not gonna die. It can last for a long time.
Big frog. Give me. This one is called Mr. Dookie, and this one is called Mr. Buddy. Mr. Doogie.
We need to worry about the fish before we
each
worry about the
other.
frogs.
Oh,
Careful, careful.
Oh,
There you go.
this looks like a mom and a dad.
Maybe.
put him in.
Yes.
Oh my God, Layla, no!
They need to be sitting right next to each other. Wait, why does that one have so much a big eye? That one has huge eyes. It's like Hawaii.
You cold, buddy? Little cold?
He just
Wow, that was like a water slide. He's like,
Yes. Looks like rain. This place looks like a total dump out here.
Yeah.
We gotta
Except the
clean this.
waterfall.
We gotta clean this, yeah. It looks bad.